Why are we doing this? Ah! It's like a frosting thing, you know? What are we doing? Is it bad that I kind of just wonder what they taste like inside? What are
This.
They're gonna be super weirded out.
Yeah, like, oh, okay.
Never mind, sorry,
yeah.
excuse me. Okay, so this is,
With spoons of
and a magnet.
Okay. No,
Okay.
wait. It's like,
It wouldn't hold very well though, no.
But still, it's gonna hold, but not like so,
Yeah,
right?
this is good actually. But actually,
Yeah.
you can buy mats that are just like high friction mats,
Okay.
so they don't like rub around the floor a lot. So just do that.
Or you can flip your carpet and use a glue gun around and leave this.
Yeah, just
sticky
glue it
thing.
to your floor. Yeah, that's gonna.
No,
please,
no,
the
no.
landlady's gonna be really happy.
No, you just add glue gun, let it dry, and it creates this thing, which is kind of.
Oh yeah, but it might scratch the floor.
It will not scratch. It's a glue
Okay,
gun.
I'm
It's
sorry.
so soft
Okay,
thing.
jeez.
Come on.
Come on, jeez.
Dude.
All right, so we have a pin,
Oh wow.
and it's for marking where you exactly were in your book. That's kind of neat. I like that.
I always trying to finish the one page.
Yeah.
And don't let it.
That's
Wow.
nice.
It's it. Yeah.
Okay, so we have nuts. What are we doing with the nuts? We're
get
sealing them with
this.
that. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Why not?
Yeah.
This is nice. Also, a little impractical. I don't know how often I would use that, just because I'm lazy. But
That's the reason.
that's a good enough reason, I think.
I think so.
This also, I don't think it's necessary.
I'm not sure as well, but who knows? Who knows?
Guys, do you use any of these? Let us know
Yeah.
your organizational hacks around the house.
It would be nice, yeah.
Magnets. What are we doing?
A lot of magnet and the
Double-sided
number
tape.
over, the-
And I guess we're gonna hang things on the wall.
Oh!
Ah.
Wow! Your papers.
No one's ever gonna want to hang out with you if they go in your room, but
But at least it's practical.
Yeah.
And your door will always be closed.
this is nice. I actually did this for my room.
What's this?
You just
I missed it.
you slide it in. It's like a plug
Ah, okay.
holder for the side of your wardrobe or something.
Okay. So, drill.
All right, you don't got a drain. Don't worry, folks. As long as you got Tupperware, you got a shower.
Yep.
Yep.
Nah.
Glue gun. More glue. Different colors glue. What are we doing with all this glue?
What is?
Looks tasty. Looks like it would be. It would taste like Skittles. All right, plastic container.
Maybe
PVC pipe.
more PVC pipe. And
PVC on pipe. All right, so we got. All right. Hey. Yeah, if your vacuum's broken.
No, it's for some watering water
Oh,
thing,
okay.
because
Gotcha.
the regular vacuum doesn't work. So.
Exactly.
Okay, why not?
Heat up. What are we doing?
Whoa!
It's.
Whoa! It's. I guess it's.
I think you're related to Mickey Mouse or something.
Yeah, I guess.
Hi
so.
there.
Wow!
All right, so.
No, you should really like this. Oh, so many glue guns. There.
Wow. Oh, a little ice tray. It's very tiny, but
There.
well. Wooden skirting. What? I didn't get that. That was very fast.
What did the skirt in?
Why are you ruining a perfectly good ukulele for that?
Oh, this is.
Oh no, someone snuck in. Pring! Plays Sweet Home Alabama.
Yeah. Actually, I was in one restaurant where it was such a thing with a big guitar.
Oh, nice. That's cool.
Nice.
I get it if you have a guitar shop, but that is the only appropriate time that you could do that.
No, there was a bar.
Oh, yeah, maybe a bar.
Okay.
Ah, lemon juicer. I like that one actually. Kind of
Will you
want
try?
to test that.
Oh.
Shoe hacks! Yeah. Oh, whoa.
What?
Ooh.
Protection.
Oh, all right.
They
You gotta
just-
protect your toes.
Wait, they.
You want to have little baby shoes running around anytime soon. All right. So we have alginate and a knife. Why are we doing this? Ah! It's like a frosting thing, you know? What are we doing? Is it bad that I kind of just wonder what they taste like inside? What are I don't know. It just looks good. All right, so we have a shoe and a tablet.
Yeah, shoe tablet.
It's a shablet now.
Shablet.
Okay, so we have some bread,
Shablet.
but it's not shoe enough. Oh, now it's okay. We're what
It's
the?
insane.
What are we doing? What are we doing? Oh my god!
Wow, my brain started melting. You know, it's like.
So I think we're packing to leave somewhere. We're packing to leave Earth because none of this makes sense on Earth. We have to go to a different. All right. So your photographs, wrap it in the hood of your hoodie.
It's
That's away.
Well,
That's away.
cream.
More cream. A little more
No,
cream. Maybe some more cream.
No more cream.
All right.
Okay, some.
All your rubber band collections. They're sewing needles.
So-
Yeah, you gotta save those.
Okay, but how gonna break?
So this is all about space optimization.
I see. Not the
Ooh.
shoe has or some. What the?
Ah.
Okay, I don't need it.
No, it's fine.
Yeah.
All right. So
Why I need
toilet
the
paper.
glasses. I don't need them. Okay, your.
Wrap all your things around, or instead you could just not use the toilet paper thing. Why do you need a toilet paper roll anyway?
Yeah.
Are you going somewhere where they don't have toilet paper roll?
No, it's. I mean, it's a way how you can hide them in order so that someone will unpack your.
I don't know. If I was a thief that was looking in someone's bag and I saw toilet paper roll, first I would be upset. I'd be like,
Okay.
what? Why? Magnets. Yeah.
Well, I think it's gonna work. But the black magnets, yeah.
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 Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh.
Now you have a table.
That's kind of smart.
That's all right actually. Yeah, it's not too bad.
That's fine.
Okay, we got a hole in our bag. What are we gonna do with it? No idea. Literally nothing.
Literally.
Ah,
Holder for your
a holder
wow.
on your shower curtains. Nice.
Pretty good.
Pretty okay, I would say.
Yeah, to destroy
Ruin your shirt.
t-shirt.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, that shirt was ugly anyway. What are we gonna do with it?
A bag.
Oh, maybe it's a clothing hamper. Yeah, it's for your dirty clothes.
Why not? Why not?
If you want to ruin your clothes to collect clothes, do you?
You.
All right, so we have some jeans that we didn't like. All right.
Okay, I'm
And
confused.
We're just ruining them a lot. What are we gonna do now?
That's all my reaction for
Yeah.
today.
Aw.
I think this kind of clever.
No.
That's
This is they must be, hiding something in there,
Uh-huh.
because why else would anyone have toilet paper in their thing? You want to hide things where you wouldn't suspect them.
Mm-hmm.
Not in weird places that are like, okay, that's weird, so I'm gonna check that first.
Mm-hmm.
Protect your stuff.
That's
Okay, belts. We're putting in. What are we putting in here?
it's
Ah.
earrings.
Yeah, it looked like earrings. All right.
What? I mean, it's
Earrings are so
wedding.
small, you could just put them elsewhere. But all right.
Money in a bottle, of course. Yeah.
Yeah.
To fill it in, hold the space with a bottle.
Yeah.
With an empty bottle. I think it's gonna work.
So this is for little clothespins.
Which is awesome.
They're also very small and you can put anywhere. Yeah.
Oh, that thing's. Now we know.
These are all the toiletries now. Okay, very good.
Okay, if someone.
Kind of cute. Kind of cute. A little cute.
Okay, kinda. Little.
Dough.
Dough.
Oh, I want a mouthful of dough right now. Ew, I don't like how he's shoving his hand into it.
Well, I think it's kind of smart.
It's
My
alright.
personal opinion, yeah.
Glue gun at the bottom of your thing.
Oh.
That's
Get out of here.
not bad, but there's always the thing that like some bags leak, right? Then it's leaked on all of your bags if you put your bags in there first. If you
Yeah, I see what.
if you use it for only dry things, then yeah, that's a good hack. But if someone
But if-
puts a juice in there,
Sealed enough.
game over, buddy. Game over.
There is a point.
I make some
Yeah.
points sometimes, occasionally.
Yeah.
That's actually nice.
That's.
It looks ridiculous,
Yeah,
but it's nice.
Yeah, and you can stretch it, I guess.
I always
right,
wanted
with
one of
these
those. Yeah.
things. Well, okay. It was a toy or something.
Yeah.
Thing, right?
Oh,
Woo!
we got some Orbsies,
For what?
and we're putting our cable in, and it's a cable collector. Wow, that
No
looks
way! We need to test
awesome. Yeah,
it.
we should definitely test that one.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll test it very soon.
Yeah.
Wink, 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 wink.
What else? Oh,
Automatic door shutter.
yeah. Why not?
It's all right.
That looks ugly.
It looked ugly.